Today, Toastmaster Avinash attempted a project called Understanding Your Leadership Style. And let's see how he delivered his speech today. With regards to objectives, let me be very honest, I'll come that in the recommendation part. However, there are three things which I enjoyed watching his speech. Number one, being eye contact. They say eyes are the soul to the window of your audience, and in this virtual world, your camera lens is the soul to the window of your audience. And when you exhibit eye contact, you are honest, sincere, and trustworthy, which I really enjoyed listening to Toastmaster Avinash's speech. Number two, element of three. I really love the way in which he brought element of three in his speech. For example, when he said leadership is not about title, it's about action, influence, and example. Then he went on about describing leadership in families, communities, and office. And when he was describing his own leadership style, which is democratic, it is patience, direction, and decision. So I really enjoyed, which made his speech a lot more memorable. And number three, I liked the way in which he engaged all of us at the start by asking us question about the attributes of leadership. Now, how can you take this speech to the next level and fulfill your objectives? Here comes my two recommendations. Number one, unleash more personal stories. Here, the objectives of the speech was to understand your primary leadership style, which you said about democratic. But how are you doing it? Where are you exhibiting those in your life? Office, communities, societies? What are those areas in your life where you are demonstrating democratic leadership? These are something which I wanted to know. And if you had answered those questions, you would have automatically fulfilled your objectives. Number two, trim off the unwanted. Here most of the audience is Toastmasters, and all of us would have taken understanding your leadership style. The 6 qualities which you explain is something which all of us know. Instead of adding those and explaining all those and investing your time in explaining each and everything, I would strongly suggest you to focus more on your personal stories, because those things, affiliative coaching, everything, all of us know, all of us have attempted level 2 project 1. So these are some certain things which you can chop off so that you focus on the core aspect of your speech, and in that way meeting your objectives. There are certain things about preparation as well, which I'm sure the next time when you attempt a speech, practice as much as you can, because I did saw a little bit of hesitation, little bit of nervousness, but I'm sure when you work with your mentor, you can overcome and be more convinced and be more confident the next time when you deliver your speech. To summarize, amazing eye contact, element of 3, loved it, engaging question at the start to engage your audience. Make sure you focus more on the core stories, bring in more personal stories so that you can meet your objectives. And I'm sure with better preparation, Toastmaster Avinash, you would be a powerful speaker which Bane Toastmasters Club has seen. Back to you, General Evaluator.